Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video I will explain Python variables and types, and also I will show you how to execute these on my laptop. So Python variables and types. So first, what is a variable? A variable is a name that represents a value in the computer memory. So what is variable means? A variable is a name that represents a value in the computer memory. So for example, that means whatever the value we are entered, that will store in a place, that is a variable. So what is the syntax of variable? Syntax of variable is variable name equal to value. Any name equal to value. For example, here I will take a equal to 100. So here a is a variable and 100 is a value. So whenever we are entered like this, immediately some space is allotted for the variable, and in that place the value 100 is stored. So a is the variable name. In that container some space is reserved. In that space value is stored. So a is a variable, 100 is a value. If we want to print that value, we require one command, that is print. Print a means 100 is printed. Next one is, for example, b equal to 20.2. b is a variable, 20.2 is a value. So how I want to print value of b means print command is that. Print b means the value of b, 20.2 is printed. So like this we can execute the initialize the values with for variables. So here a is equals to 100 and b equal to 20.2. So here a and b are variables, but a is accepted integer value and b is accepted float value. So in other languages like C and C++, before giving the values you have to inform those variables are belongs to which data type. But in the Python it is not necessary to specify what are the data types of the variables. Thus it is a very special feature of Python. We are not necessary to define the data type before giving the values. Here some more examples are there. Color. Variable name is color, and in that variable color I will give the value is green. In the string, either we can enter put the values in the single quotation or double quotation. So color is a variable, value is green. Now I want to print my favorite color is color. So here color is the variable. In that variable which value is there? Green. So what is the output of this? Means my favorite color is, this is in the quotation as it is displayed. So what is the value of color here? Color of value of color is green. So what is the output? Means my favorite color is green. And one more example is, I will assign 3 variables at a time also. X, Y, Z are the 3 variables: orange, banana and apple. Now I want to print X. Print X means which value? First value is assigned the first variable, that is orange. Then print Y. Print Y means which value is stored in the print Y? That is banana. Banana is printed. And third one is print Z. So what is the value of Z? Z is stored in the variable apple. So like this also it is possible to assign in the Python. And one more example, length equal to width equal to height, that is 10. That means same value is assigned for 3 variables at a time. Print length, 10 is printed. Print width, 10 is printed. Then print height. Print height means same value, 10 is printed. Like this, in different ways we can assign the values to the variables. Now all these I have explained through execute on laptop. Go for execution. A is a variable, 10 is a value. Actually in other languages like C or C++, before the variable we actually declare what type of data type that variable, like int a, float a, like this. But in this Python, not necessary to declare the variable is belongs to which data type. It is called as dynamic variable declarations, not like static. So a equal to 10. Then now print a. How can you print the value of a? Means you are using one statement that is called as print. Print within brackets because it is a function a. Okay, so print a means it is printing the value of a, but if you want to see what type of data is stored in the variable a, so how can you see the variable data type of the variable? For that we have one more command is there, that is called as type. See here the output is there, print a means down the value of a is printed, that is 10. Now I want to display what type of data is stored in the variable a. That means data type of variable a I want to see. So how can you print the data type of a means? For that we have to use one more command, that is called as type. Print type of a. So print type of a means print command is used for printing what you want to print. What is the data type of a? So type of a. So see the answer now. Just execute it. See here the class. The class is which type of data? That is int. That means now whatever the data is stored in the a, that is an integer data type. So that's why in the Python language not necessary to declare specially. It is a int variable. Automatically, dynamically it is stored. It is a integer data type. One more example I will give you. A equal to 10.5. Now I want to print the value of a. For printing value of a, which command we require? Print command. Print within brackets a. See the answer now. What is the output of this one? Here 10.5. This is the answer. Now I want to check it. Here 10.5 is the value of a. Now I want to check what is the type of that variable, data type. So which command we require? Type command. Print type of means function, type of a. Now is execute it. So type of a is used for display the variable a contains which type of values. See here down, it is a class. Class contains what type of class it is? Float. That means in this variable a, what type of data we are stored? That is float data type. So integer I gave one example. Float is also one more example. Now we go for string. Example for string. A equal to, within the quotations we can type anything. Hi, hello. So a equal to hello. I want to print the value of a. So printing value of a is only just like print a. Just check the answer. The answer is hello. Answer is hello. That means value is printed. Now I want to print what type of data type. A is belongs to which type of data type. So print type of a. Type of a. So what type of data type it is? It is belongs to which data? That is str. It is belongs to class str. Str means string. So this is the special feature of Python. In C and C++, before using the variable, you have to declare the data type. Otherwise, it's not at all accepted. But it is a special feature of Python, not necessary to declare. In the definition only, directly declare it. Depends upon the values. What values are entered in the particular variable depends upon the values. It is taking the data type. Now I will show you execution of string. So color equal to green. So I will type color equal to green. Color is a variable and its value is green. The string values either put it in double quotations or single quotation. In this example, green is put it in the single quotation. So now I want to print the value of color. So for printing, we have to do print command. So print, not only value, I want to print some values also. Print my favorite color is. Within the quotation, I write my favorite color is, comma, color. Here color is a variable. In that variable already store some value, that is green. So my favorite color is, comma, quotations close, comma, color. So what is the value it is printed? It is printed is, here down, see, check it once. My favorite color is green. So this is the output. So like this, we have to print string values. Now I want to print type of that values. So how can you print to type of the data? So print means for printing the type of the data we use one more command, that is type operator. So print type of color. So color is which type of values are stored in the color. So what type of data are stored in that one? That is string object. So see the answer, that is str, string object. Thank you for watching my video.